Today we're inspecting and cleaning battery terminals. This lawn tractor won't start, so let's inspect it to see what may be the cause of the startup failure. We'll start with the battery. When inspecting a battery, always check the terminals for corrosion. This will look like a blue or greenish-white crust built up around the metal terminals. Corrosion happens when hydrogen gas is released from battery acid. If left untreated, it can prevent proper recharging of your battery or even degrade battery terminals and wires. To clean the corrosion, first disconnect the battery cables from the battery. Begin with the negative terminal. Make sure to keep them separated. We'll use a wire brush and a battery cleaner spray to clean the terminals. The cleaner will neutralize the acid in the corrosion, which will make it safe to clean. Spray every area that's corroded. Leave the spray on for a few minutes and then use a terminal brush to brush away the corrosion buildup until the metal on the terminal and posts are once again visible. After that, flush them with water. Battery terminal protectant spray will prevent future corrosion. It should be sprayed on your battery 3 to 4 times a year for best results. Now that the corrosion is removed from the terminals, reconnect the battery and see if the machine starts. If it starts up and runs regularly, then you have successfully diagnosed and corrected a startup issue due to corrosion. If your machine doesn't start, you can use battery booster cables or a battery charger to address the problem.